last 3 years, ColoWell America has been my dream. This is a private colorectal and surgery practice that we have started.
What inspired you to start your business?
I always wanted to be a doctor. This came naturally to me. My mother was very sick with migraines all her life, so I traveled with her to various hospitals and physicians' offices. So being in the vicinity of medical professionals and being close to them, I was inspired by that. Later on, my younger brother developed leukemia, and working to help him inspired me along also. So this has been a story of inspiration that I had from people around me, and that led me to this, where I'm able to now impart my knowledge and help others.
Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, education, and work experience?
I came from Pakistan, and I came from very humble beginnings. My father was in the Air Force in Pakistan, and then I graduated school, went to medical school, swam across the 7 seas and came to America, and I was a good swimmer. I'm just kidding. After medical school, I did training in upstate New York, in Rochester and Buffalo, and finished colorectal surgery fellowship in Columbus, Ohio. I've been a general surgeon and a colorectal surgeon for 15 plus years, and finally settled down in Tampa, Florida.
When did you start this practice?
This business was started November 8th, 2018 was our grand opening.
What are these services offered?
I've been able to offer my patients a unique set of colorectal and gastroenterology services, where we have combined holistic plant-based diet, exercise. We specialize in hemorrhoids and fissure and fistula disease. Things like colonoscopies, upper endoscopies, laparoscopic surgery, gastrointestinal surgery, as well as medical cannabis services, where we are able to qualify our patients, has become the corner of my practice.
What made you choose your current business location?
We are located in the center of Tampa Bay. I was working in this area for the last many years, and I was familiar with downtown Tampa. I feel like being in the center and the heart of the city, we can help a lot of patients.
Hi, my name is Ralph Barbone. I've been seeing Dr. Farooq for about 3 years now. He handled my colonoscopy, and it was the easiest, fastest one that I've ever had. Unfortunately, I've had a few in my lifetime. He also handles my medical marijuana card. He truly uses a holistic approach to medicine and health. He's helped me reduce my weight, given me advice on many other things, and my pain levels have gone down tremendously. I highly recommend Dr. Farooq.
How are people aware of your business? Do you use any marketing tools, social media presence?
We advertise via all the social media outlets. We are active on Facebook, Instagram. We haven't joined the TikTok movement yet, but we're thinking about it. YouTube, as well as print media. We also try and hold events at our facility where patients and customers are invited, and we have many educational seminars where we are able to impart knowledge and give them good information.
How has technology impacted the way you conduct business?
There is a saying, once you go Mac, you don't go back. We incorporated the Apple iOS system and operating system into our practice. We have patient portals. We input them through iPads, and we have a cloud-based service. Our patients are able to contact us digitally. Our nursing staff communicate via iWatches and are able to talk privately with the doctor without any difficulty.
Are there any ethical concerns your business must deal with?
Pain and suffering is what brings most of our patients to us. They are a very vulnerable population, so we take care of them like we take care of our family. We try to alleviate their pain, understand their problems, and offer them solutions that are practical, so that when they leave our practice, This is a saying that my father always taught me. You want your patients to leave with a sense of hope that they are healing and improving.
How do you overcome these ethical concerns?
Most of our patients are scared and afraid. Hemorrhoidal pain, rectal bleeding, all of these are scary things, and if you communicate with them, you help guide them and improve their outcomes, patients are not as fearful, they trust you, and that allowed them to heal, because healing is an art that incorporates a lot of practice.
My name is Tom. For years I suffer with a colorectal problem, and one of the reasons is that it's embarrassing. And there's really no reason to delay, there's no reason to suffer. I called Dr. Farooq, made an appointment, I came in and I found that his staff and Dr. Farooq are professional, courteous, and knowledgeable. And I urge you that if you have this type of problem, don't delay, it's only going to get worse. Call Dr. Farooq and make an appointment. He helped me out tremendously, and I urge you to do the same.
What do you think sets you apart from other businesses alike?
Good question. I am the Booty Doc. This is a name that I've chosen because I want people to be aware of anorectal problems, anorectal cancer, hemorrhoids, itching, burning, colorectal cancer, digestive issues. These are all related to diet and environmental problems, and if we improve our diet, our digestive health and our colorectal health improves.
Do you have a mentor for your business?
I've always looked up to my father. My father was in the Air Force, and being in the uniform for almost 50 years of his life, he has been up every day, going to work, coming back. Being in the medical profession and wearing a similar uniform, getting up and being disciplined, I've learned a lot from my father. My English teacher from Pakistan also taught me a lot, and I remember that.
Are you mentoring someone?
Right now I have a medical student that is with us, and she's joining us from a medical school in Atlanta, Georgia. So we have medical students from time to time, and I try to give some of the knowledge that I acquired to other people so that they can pass it on.
To what do you attribute your success?
You have to have passion, you have to have hard work and discipline and support and prayers of your family. So all of that works together.
What can you tell viewers in regard to pursuing their dreams or businesses?
Never stop dreaming. So make sure that you're able to work hard, finish your work for the day, and whatever you can, you have to have a plan and satisfaction that you've taken some steps towards that.
Mi nombre es Celia Mendoza y soy de Caracas, Venezuela. Mi condición que fue bastante delicada y tenía ya aproximadamente 3 años con ese tipo de esos padecimientos intestinales que le restaba importancia, y en muchos consultorios donde acudí también lo desestimaban, o sea, me hablaban de hemorroides, de pólipos, de cosas sin importancia, que no me preocupara porque eso era normal. Sin embargo, no sé, algo me decía que debía acudir pues a manos de una persona más experta. Una de las cosas que me llamó mucho la atención es que el doctor Farooq me dice, yo necesito que usted, ya vamos, dame un minuto. Sí. Yo necesito que usted me entregue, ¿verdad? Antes de la cirugía, un cuerpo, un espíritu y una mente positivas, con esas energías que son necesarias pues para que usted salga adelante, porque yo necesito esa colaboración de su parte, y yo me comprometí con él, le dije, en un mes se lo traigo. En principio es eso, en un mes se lo traigo, y así creo que lo hizo, por lo menos lo traté de hacer.
How do you plan to help your patients and others beyond your medical facility?
This is a great question. As a physician and as a doctor who has a medical practice, I have been searching for answers and wanting to see how I can help my patients long term. And I've realized that there are 2 aspects to that. One is that you have to exercise, okay, and live, and the other is that you have to eat properly. I found a unique exercise program called the Fountain of Youth. This is a 5-step exercise program that Tibetan monks have been practicing for thousands of years. A book by Peter Kelder in 1930s. This book is called The Fountain of Youth. I really feel that this is an important addition to almost every human being's activities, because 20 minutes a day you can be disciplined to do these 5 exercises in a standard fashion. Along with the exercise, the second message that I really talk about is diet. I feel that flaxseed powder is a very good source of fiber that tends to improve gastrointestinal health due to its prebiotic abilities, as well as the fact that it has multiple other nutrients such as omega-3s and ability to improve digestive health. In that direction, I'm also very excited because I'm in the process of creating a unique product. We are creating the world's first flaxseed powder gummy. This is a bottle that has some of these samples. These flax powder gummy is something that is not on the market yet, and we are hoping that as time goes by, our flaxseed powder gummies can be available to the public, and they can benefit from a healthier lifestyle and diet changes.